Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a dog. He wants to be in this video, in this vlog, but of course he is not the one to be reviewed of. So, baba ka muna, ha? Bye-bye. So what I have here is the Chinese model kit from ZAO Workshop, which is the Saint Armor Redeem. Yep. So you got we got this redeem here. Unfortunately, at first I don't like to buy this kit because I don't have any interest in buying Chinese model kits, but I was frustrated in finding the Gundam Mark III 1100 or Reborn 1100, and this kit here does have the looks of the Gundam Mark III, and aside from being a Gundam Mark III color scheme, it has the appearance, I think, of the Gundam or the Provident Gundam. I'm not familiar with that antagonist from Gundam Seed, but I think that was the real Mecha where this kit is based off. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this ZAO Workshop Saint Armor Redeem will offer us. The box of this ZAO Workshop Redeem is larger than your average master grade models from Bandai. Of course, Chinese products has so much plastics and designs for their kits. So this is a big box here, and of course my dog is there, and it says here ZAO Workshop and Saint Armor there and Redeem. So it has, as I said earlier, it has the vibes of Gundam Mark III with the backpack weapons or backpack designs, same with the Provident Gundam. Okay, so let's go to the side of the box. You can see here the front view and the rear view of the kit. So it's a little back heavy again. So this is the typical Chinese mecha products. They really like to make their kits back heavy because I don't know why Chinese like that. So there we got a cross-shaped beam effects there. So it's like your Provident Gundam backpack aura, something like that. Then it has a spear where you can detach one of the dragoons from the back and attach it to a spear, and there we got this spiral beam effect, which looks like Mercury Drug Mercury Drug logo, something like that. And there we got this flying pose effect. On the other side of the box, you can see here the weapons display. We got this beam gun or rifle here, and then this again this Mercury Drug spiral beam effect for the spear. And aside from having this spear, it can wield this beam sabers also with very nice beam effect, where you can borrow the beam saber effect from the backpack. The inner frame is made mostly of plastic, so this is what I like instead of metal frame. And there we got this flying pose on the action base stands. Then we got this interchangeable hands, but again, you know me, I will change this into a Dalin 1100 hands. Okay, So if we open the box here, we can see surprise. You can see here the instruction manual. So let's review first this manual. And there, the manual has the same picture from the box art. There we can see the front view, the rear view, and the inner frame, and some action pose here. So the parts here is quite many there. So we got twice or double runners, and there it's an intermediate level build for me. And this is the instruction manual, same with the classic in era and SNAA style of printout. Okay, so it's black and white also. I really like the Chinese model kits instruction manual these days. And what I observe, they keep on improving. This is what I like. They keep on improving. So kudos to the Chinese companies. And there is the sticker or decals guide, and there are the action poses for the kit. So let's go to the packages. So the packs here, we got the action-based stand. So we got these action-based stands here, which is very nice. Then we got this black parts for the inner frame. Again, black parts for the inner frame, and these are grouped together, which is very appealing. So this is runner G, the other pair is runner G. Then we got this sharp pointed parts here that is being wrapped in a bubble wrap. So it's very nice, nicely packed. Then we got this beam saber or beam effect parts and clear parts. So we got two options. It's either you use the orange or you use the red one. So what I like is this, I preferred this orange one instead of this red. I will stick to the color that is assigned, or the color in the box art, the stock color. So we got here another black parts for the, I think this one for the Dragoons, and another black parts. So these are paired already, so it's not hard for me to separate this later. Then again, this is dark blue parts. These are paired already. Then we got this indigo or purplish blue parts. Black parts for the manipulator sets, the hands. Then there we got these gray parts for, I think this one for the Dragoons, or the yep, for the Dragoon parts. Red parts again for maybe small for the face, or some red detailings, and this dark blue for armor pieces, and finally black parts for the, I think this one for the spear. Yep. And we got here dry transfer decals, which, you know me, I don't like applying in my kits because I'm lazy. So I really like the packaging. This is the sticky tape seal, which I will later on recycle for my other kits. I will recycle for storage of my excess parts. It's very nice, eco-friendly. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build this kit. And so we got to start with this clear part. So since I said I decided to use the clear orange instead of the clear red, so this is your runner R, and this runner feels so rubbery. So the runner feels rubbery, and also the parts. Then we got this orange parts here, which is runner Q. So this is for your beam saber effect parts, or the beam blade parts. We got here the gray parts, which is being wrapped on the bubble wrap a while ago. So this is your runner E. This is for the rifle and your V-fins. Then we got this pair here, runner F, for the dragoons. This is a purplish blue runner. We got another pair, runner K, gray parts. This one I think for the dragoon parts. Then we got this runner G here, which is gray parts for the inner frame, and I think this one for the dragoon again. Then another pair here, dark blue, runner C, armor pieces. Then we got this another pair here, runner J. These are black parts for the dragoons. So much part for the dragoons. Then we got runner H for the inner frame of the legs. So we got two of these. And for the single runners, we got runner P. These are red runners. Then runner D, runner L, runner N, and runner M. And this remaining parts here, which I didn't open because these are the spare, the red, clear red runners, and the action base stand. Of course, we got here the instruction manual and dry transfer decals, which I already hit because I don't intend to use this. So thank you very much for watching this unbox review of the ZAO Workshop Redeem Armored, or the Saint Armor Redeem. Okay? Goodbye, God bless, take care. Happy building. Hey, wake up. Gising na. Bye-bye.